Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. There's nothing like sitting out in your backyard on a cool autumn night. If you want to make those nights really special, build a moon garden. With the right plants, you'll not only have your yard glowing, but also take in fragrances that only happen when the moon is out. Here are some steps to make your moon garden. Choose the location that receives good moonlight in an area you can enjoy the view at night. The area should have a dark background, such as a fence or hedge, so the white silvery plants will stand out. Select moonlight-friendly plants. White and pale flowers will reflect moonlight. But there are some flowers that bloom only when the sun goes down. Like moonflower or angel's trumpets that bloom in the dark. Evening primrose blooms at dusk. Night blooming jasmine is famous for its strong, sweet fragrance released in the evening. Night phlox, known as midnight candy, its small white and purple flowers release a vanilla-like scent after sunset. Tuberose, known for its strong, heady fragrance, tuberose flowers open in the evening and are highly aromatic at night. Mirabilis jalapa, miracle of Peru. Named for its late afternoon to evening blooming habit, this plant releases a light, lemony fragrance at night. Honeysuckle releases a delightful fragrance more intensely at night. Queen of the night, this night-blooming cactus produces large, fragrant flowers that release a strong, sweet scent during its brief bloom time at night. Nicotiana has tubular blooms. It blooms in the evening and has a jasmine-like scent. White evening stock, also called night-scented, stock produces modest purple flowers that emit a sweet fragrance after sunset. Berlandiera lyrata emits a rich chocolate-like scent during the night and early morning. Snow in summer is a ground cover with small white flowers and silvery foliage. It's perfect for adding a glow to garden beds. Night bloomers aren't the only way to light up your moon garden. You can also use silvery foliage plants that will catch the light and provide a contrast. Here are a few of our favorites: Dusty Miller, Artemisia, Lamb's Ear, Silver Sage. Enhance your garden with soft lighting, like these solar moonlights from AU Basic. You can also use reflective surfaces water features or white stones to reflect moonlight. Using these steps, you can make the perfect moon garden to enjoy night after night. Please note, all mentioned products are listed below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.